Dear students, in this unit we will talk about sexual reproduction in fungi. As you are aware that sexual reproduction is very important. It's a process in which the mixing of the genetic material takes place from different species or different mycelia or genetically unidentical hyphae or the species or the organisms, and it result in the evolutionary point of view. It's very important that it result in the inclusion or addition of genetic material which can give some advantages with the course of time during the this changing environment. So sexual reproduction also takes place in fungi. It is important to note that hyphae and spores of the fungi, they are haploid. Haploids mean they have a single number of chromosomes present in them. So what happens that during the course of sexual reproduction, at one stage it comes that the mixing of them result in to a diploid fungal organism. Otherwise, most of the time of their life cycle or the stage, they remain haploid. Now what happens that during the sexual reproduction, two different genetically different mycelia come in close interactions, and hyphae of those mycelia, they secrete certain chemical compounds which are known as pheromones. Now these pheromones are very important, that each of the pheromone travels to the opposite hyphae and attach to the surface, and this result in the chemical reactions, and that result in the mixing of hyphae of genetically different mycelia. Now after this mixing, the union of cytoplasm takes place, which is known as plasmogamy. Now this plasmogamy is the initial stage of sexual reproduction in fungi. In this haploid cells, they combine and they fuse together to make a single cell. After plasmogamy, karyogamy takes place. This result in the fusion of two nuclei to form a single nucleus, so that the chromosome number becomes double. Then the last stage, what happens that newly produced diploid cell divide by meiosis process, and this meiotically division results in the generation of again the haploid cells. And those haploid cells actually this sexual reproduction takes place at the moment when there is limitation of nutrients, so that this sexual reproduction results in the formation of haploid cells or spores, which stay there until the favorable conditions. They return back and they can try to grow again into a vegetative cell or non-reproductive hyphae.